Hello lovely crafters, it's Navjot Gujral this side and welcome to the bottle, or I can say the flask or tumbler charm video. So this is what we are going to create, and look at this gorgeous beauty. This is really very adoring, and let me tell you, though this is a bottle charm, but you can turn it in any kind of accessories, and you may use these for creating different charms, and you can hang these in different places, in onto your bag, onto your mobile. We are not actually. So now I'm really very excited to create it. Let's quickly grab what all we need to create this one, and then I will be back. Today I'm going to recreate exactly the same version of this. Right now, as this is, we are going to create with different beads. I have already taken out all the desired beads which we are looking for. Now we have these very pretty pastel beads here. Along with that, we do have these bows. Then I'm going to use few of these butterflies. Look at the sheen here, gorgeous beads. Along with that, we are going to use few of the pom-poms. So as we are making this in a blue theme, so I'm going to grab the blue pom-pom only. Along with that, to make sure that it hangs nicely, I'm going to choose from the variety of rings we have. Along with that, we will be needing few basic supplies, basic tools to do that. The first thing what I will be needing is this gear wire. So this is what I'm going to use. Along with that, I will be needing few of the jump rings and the lockers here. So these are the supplies we will be needing. Along with these supplies, we might need a few of additional tools, which is going to be our funnel tray and measuring scale to measure how much wire I'm going to cut. And along with that, we really need few tools here, which is like this round nose plier, a flat nose plier, and a wire cutter or a pair of scissors to cut the wire. And that's it. This is what we need. Now let's begin and let's see how we are going to create this gorgeous beauty here. To begin with, I'm going to quickly grab my ruler here, because what I need, I have to cut the wire. Now for the wire, I always prefer going for a little longer wire. So by any chance, if I wish and I really want to add more of the beads or anything, I have the liberty to do that. So it's always good to have a little extra wire. You may simply measure how and what size of wire you want to cut. So if you have that thing in your mind, what we generally do, we plan the basic things what we are going to do here like this. Let's take this example, because this is like right now ready with me. So if you have like ready project, or if you have that beads ready, you simply place them. Have a tentative idea that you will be needing approximately till here 5.5 inches, that you can double it on 11 inches. Then you will have a feel and flow of that. So this is how you judge. So that's why I always prefer taking large size wire, because you never know, if I want to add more beads, I love to add that, and I never miss the opportunity where I can play with the different placements here as well. Now today I'm going to recreate this in the easiest way. Yes, so let's start creating, and let's keep this aside. We are done with the wire here. So what I have done here is, let me just quickly repeat. So this is like I have cut approximately 15 to 16 inches. Right, I'm keeping it here so you all can spot that where it's here. So this is approximately 15 inches. So once you are done with that, the next thing what I'm going to quickly do here is, I'm going to quickly grab beautiful pom-pom here. Now for the pom-poms, as I said, I'm going to create in this same charm in a theme of blues, more of the blues. So I'm going to quickly grab a blue color pom-pom here. Now once you added this, it's time to lock this and create a base for it, base for our next bead here. Now for this, what we need, we will be needing these lockers. So I'm going to lock it. It's an optional step. If you just simply start doing this like this, let me just share that what I'm trying here is to explain. If you wish, you can simply do it like this as well. That's perfectly okay. But what I generally do, I created this loop and I locked it. Again, it's totally optional step if you want to skip it. For here to add one locker, you may do that. I do it. So I have a good like tassel there down, so I'm doing it again with you all. Now next thing what I will be needing, I will be needing my this plier. Just press this nicely, and this is what I have. It's flaunting nicely. This is enough to move here, and once you are done, now you are ready to add more of the beads here. Now to begin with, I have already taken these gorgeous bows here which I'm going to use. So let's start, and let's take one here, and that is going to be onto the bottom of this, and this looks so pretty. Now here I really want to share, if you want you can simply turn this into even a smaller size charm. Let me show you how. So add a bead here, add any of the cabochons. I'm picking what is in front of me, and that's it. See how cute it's looking. So you can create such kind of tiny keychains as well. What not you can create, even the bottle charm. It's looking so stunning, right? So pretty. So instead of a butterfly, you may go for the like toffees as well. Just you have hundreds and hundreds of options. We have a variety of beads available with us with the bestest quality, I can say, and I can really say this very loudly that we do have the bestest quality. So just enjoy the beads, and you can play with them, do create different projects out of those. So this is the power of the beauty of these beautiful beads what we have for you all. So don't forget to check our website. If you by any chance missed any of the beads, and if you want to know about how to use any particular bead, it has hole or something like that, you may check the description part onto our website, which is www.crafterscorner.in. The descriptions are there, but still if you have any question, feel free to connect with us onto our customer care number. We love to answer, and I really loved to see what you people are going to create with these beads. I'm looking forward. Please make sure that you are tagging us, you are tagging Crafters Corner, and letting us know what you people are creating with these gorgeous beauties. Now coming back to what we are creating, so we are done with this, and I said this is absolute gorgeous. This is still we just begin, and it's already started looking so pretty. This is the beauty. You can actually hold yourself on any part, and you can simply recreate these in any ways. Now once you have added one more bead here, now it's time to start adding the beads into different hands here. So that's why we have taken like two instead of one. Now I'm going to start with these beads. Let me just quickly give you a glimpse of these shades here which we have. So we have very nice pastel shades here right in this, and look at these. Oh my god. So we have the blues, we have the pinks, we have the yellows, ivories, whites, greens, all are in so pastel colors. It's so amazing. Now let's start adding the beads. So I'm going to add one here. So I'm going to add randomly, but making sure that like I will follow that. If it's blue, white, green, I will try and add more and more colors. Sorry, let's add pink. Right now ivory, let's add one white here, or purple here. Purple, let's add one purple or lilac shade, I can say, and that's it. So this is one side I'm creating. Now next what I'm going to do, I'm going to add this here bow. Wow, it's absolute amazing, right? It's looking so pretty. Now again I'm going to begin with these colors only. So I'm going to start with the blue, then I'm going to add this white, green, pink, and let's wait now. let's see what next we are going to add, because we have to fill this and then we will club and see, we will see that how much height we are going for this time. Let's quickly bring here. So if you want, you can simply switch the colors, because that is how you are going to look like this. So this time I'm going to begin with the purple here. Let's grab the ivory, green, let me see, the white, and a blue, again a purple. See, you may go for any combinations. This is just random I'm adding here, and even I'm adding more as well. So just go with the flow, enjoy the process. And now I'm going to hold myself, and I will see that number of beads are going to be equal. So this is going to be 1 2 3 4, and then we have a 5, then we have extra bead here which I'm going to count for this. Then we have this, and this. So they are good enough to go for. Now next thing what I'm going to do, I'm going to check it, is I'm good to go for this. I'm going to tighten it, but I think so I'm going to add one more here. So let's add blue here, and let's add a purple here, or I can say a pink here. I think so I haven't added pink this time on this particular section, so let's add the pink. All are randomly placed, and this is what we have. Right now, next thing what I'm going to do here is I'm going to quickly grab a locker here once again, and what you are going to do here is hold both the arms here and pass it through. Now next thing is you are going to just make sure that you are pulling it nicely from it, and you will see that how and where it's going. So once you pull it very nicely, very tightly, you will see that automatically it will take this shape here, right? So this eye shape will generate once you actually go for very tight end here. This is required to achieve this look. So once you are happy with this, once you are happy with the tightness of this, what you are supposed to do, you simply now press this up. I'm going to again pull it once again. You just have to be happy with it. Both are similar. So once you are happy, I'm trying to share it with you all. Okay, so once you are happy with this, simply grab your plier and freeze this. Now I'm going to suggest you do this step right here, right now, to make sure that you are not moving on anything, and you may use second one here as well. Now next thing what I'm going to do here is I'm going to quickly grab my jump rings here. If you wish, you can simply attach it to the ring. Okay, let me see what ring I'm going to have here. Let me see. So I'm going for a blue. If you wish, you can simply insert it here into the loop which we are going to create, or if you wish, you can add a jump ring here as well. This time I'm adding a jump ring. Now for the jump ring, what you need another this locker here. Just simply pass it through this, both of these. Once you added this, grab your jump ring, pass it through both of these, right? So once you added this, simply grab it and pass both of these wires once again from the second one here which we have added, and quickly grab your plier and just pull this little gently. Once you are happy with the pull, make sure that it's coming right here quite near to the first one and freeze it right on its place. Once it's done, you have this extra wire. I'm going to chop this off. Now for this you have to be careful. You are just supposed to cut these two extra wires only. Once you are done with this, you have already attached your jump ring right in this loop which we have created, and we are almost about to finish it. Now last thing what I'm going to do here is I'm going to grab my ring here and pass it through the jump ring, and our charm is ready to flaunt. Look at this. Now let me quickly grab the previous one here. Now we have even more, right? So this is what we have. Look at these. And yes, of course, how you are going to attach it to your tumbler, to your flask, to anything, just simply use this, open this, right? So onto the loop you simply do that and flaunt the beauty. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with us. If you have any questions regarding any of the supplies we have used, feel free to connect to our customer care team, and we love to address each and every query of yours. Thank you so very much for being here with us in this video once again. See you all very soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Happy crafting, everyone.